guys, Damon, and I'm going to be doing another nature video, and I have a guest today.
My freaking hands are dirty.
It's my friend Aaron. We're going to go to that same place where I was before. Kind of going up the hill. Hurry up!
I'm trying now.
Where's he at? There he is. Hurry up! Today, everyone, weather freaking terrible.
Okay, get the camera on me. Go on. Spotlight.
Oh. Yeah, playing on his phone like I didn't tell. I told him not to.
What? I gotta check the niche. I'm about to straight.
Walmart! Woo-hoo!
Dude, I'm about to straight slip and fall on my face. Just right there. Like.
Good.
You know,
Good. Good.
bad.
Hey, look at the power box. Wide open.
And nothing in it.
Yep.
Cool.
That's totally spectacular.
Come on, Joe. What are you doing?
For sprint, bitch!
I'm not sprinting. That's what I did last year. Bam! Right on the face.
Oh, we're heading down to where?
Just let you guys know.
Hey guys! It's unfroze! Woo! See if there's any fish down there.
Bitch. Now you just stuck at that video.
Here we go. Alright, taking our sip. Ladies first.
Ladies first.
Ladies last.
No, ladies first. That's all.
Or Jamal last. Hey, a tennis ball. Cool. And it's frozen.
It is?
Yes. It's frozen to the ground.
Never heard that before. What's wrong?
Here we go, guys. Down the creek. Checking if there's big fish. Possibly could be. My dad told me they spawn their eggs up in here.
Hey, turn it to me. If you guys subscribe to this video, the next video will be me. We have no shoes on, no socks on, in that water.
Oh yeah, in this water, he will do that.
Yes.
If you give us some likes, he's not joking either. Whoa.
I'm not joking.
Alright. Gotta be caution here. It's kind of deep and you can't see crap. Yeah, it's totally unfroze. But I'm not going in.
I am.
No, you're not.
Here's a little flashback.
A little preview.
Preview. Okay.
Aaron, you're kind of being stupid right now. There's the old bridge.
Can I go back?
And then you slip. Alright. That concludes our video. So,
Okay, you want me to go in there now? For the next video?
no. Yes, next video.
Next video. Peace.
See you, bye. Subscribe, like this video. Bye.